Good morning and most welcome to my YouTube channel Speak English Easily. Today I am going to give you a very important lesson. The topic is the form of verb go in past tense. So let's see. The form of verb go in past continuous tense. Form subject plus be verb plus main verb plus ing plus object, right? So already I made video on be verb and present tense and present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous tense and its form. So I am going to request you just to go to my playlist of my YouTube channel and you can find there those videos, and what's all of them, then you can understand how to write these tenses, what is its formation, right? So it will be very clear on you. You will get a clear picture and you can easily understand it, and you will get a good confidence on tense. So if you get once confidence on tense, then it will be very helpful for you to speak English easily. Okay, so let's start today's video. So today's lesson I have already informed you. It is on past continuous tense and the main verb is go. Here in this table we can find the arrow marking is showing numbers and a singular number and plural number, and in the below in this arrow marking it's indicating person, first person, second person and third person. So in this table first row is indicating that first person, I was going to school. So if we analyze this sentence, then we can find I is the subject, was is the be verb and go is the main verb, and it is adding ing with it so that we can make it continuous tense, right? And school is object. So we can say here I was going to school. It is past continuous tense, right? So if we see the plural number in first person, we can see that I is replaced with we, and here was replaced with were, right? So here I is replaced with we and was is replaced with were, and the go verb here, the main verb and ing is adding with it so that we can make it continuous tense, and school is object here, right? So we can see that in the sentence we were going to school, right? So this is the formation. Already I mentioned here that subject plus be verb plus main verb plus ing plus object is needed to make the past continuous tense, right? So if we see the second row, second person, then we can find here you were going to school. Here you is the subject and where is the be verb and go is the main verb and ing is the continuous form and school is object. So you were going to school. As well as in case of plural number in the second person, we can say here you were going to school. Here also you is the subject, where is the be verb and go is the main verb plus ing is addition to make it continuous tense, and object is school, right? So we can see here that you were going to school. And the third number row, if we see, that is the third person, and here he, she, it was going to school. Here he, she and it are third person singular number subject, right? So was is the be verb, and going is the main verb go, and ing is addition to make it continuous tense, and school is object. So we can say either he was going to school, or she was going to school, or it was going to school. And if we see about the plural number in third person, then he, she, it replaced with they, and was replaced with were, and going to school, going means same go verb, and its addition is ing, so that we make it continuous form, and school is object, right? So we can say they were going to school. So once again I am going to read this. First person, I was going to school, plural number, we were going to school. Second person, singular number, you were going to school, and plural number, you were going to school. Third person, singular number, he, she, it was going to school, and third person, plural number, they were going to school. So if we read this very well and understand it very deeply, then we will not fail to make any past continuous tense, right? So first of all, if we identify that there is a ing form, definitely it may be continuous, right? And if we see here was, then definitely it is past continuous form, because there is no any have, had, or something like that. So that's why we can easily identify that what is the sentence is it. So it will be very helpful for us. So that's why I'm requesting you, please watch this video again and again, and you deeply understand what is past continuous tense. And I hope you understood from this video. So thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Thank you.